Hi, Melissa. I just want to give you some help on the math here. So for the first one, and actually make sure that you watch the lesson for the video. The first thing you want to do is click this and watch the lesson for the video to really help you, okay? So I'm not sure if you did that because you didn't answer the question on this slide. So go back and re-watch the video. Now, on the next slide, you have two problems to practice. It says, Gina's garden is 5 yards long. How long is her garden in feet? Looks like we're going from yards to feet. So over here, I can see in 1 yard, there is 3 feet. But do we have 1 yard? No, we have 5 yards. So we need 5 groups of 3. Let's think. 5 groups of 3 is the same as 5 times 3. Try again, figure out the answer to 5 times 3, and write that in your answer box. Now over here, Ellen needs to buy 180 inches of ribbon to wrap a large present. The store sells ribbon only in whole yards. How many yards does Ellen need to buy to have enough ribbon? Looks like we're going from inches to yards. So we have it in inches. We want to figure out how many yards that is. Well, I see inches, but it doesn't tell me how many yards that is. It looks like I need to go from inches to feet, and then from feet to yards. All right, if we have 12 inches in 1 foot, looks like I need to take 180 and divide it into groups of 12. That's 180 divided by 12. Okay? Now, I'll show you a resource you can use between you and me just for this unit to help check your work. So let's do that. 180 divided by 12. 15. So let's see what that means. If we go back here, okay, I can tell that means if I take 180 and divide it into groups of 12, that means there's 15 feet in 180 inches. Well, let's see if 15 feet, let's see how many yards that would be. I need to take my 15 and put them in groups of 3. 15 divided by 3. You can figure that out to see how many yards that will make. Okay, so work carefully and make sure you re-watch the shared video on here. Sometimes watching it more than once can really help us to understand. You're doing great. Keep emailing me with any questions.